এবার এটিএমের মাধ্যমে পাবেন রান্নার গ্যাস। রাত বিরেতে রান্নার গ্যাস শেষ হয়ে গেছে, চিন্তার কোনো কারণ নেই। সোজা চলে যান ভারত গ্যাসের এটিএমে আর পেয়ে যান গ্যাস ভর্তি সিলিন্ডার। এটিএম মেশিন থেকে দেখুন কিভাবে পাওয়া যাবে এটিএম থেকে গ্যাস।
This is the machine in which the consumer can walk in 24/7 at any point of time, and both these things can be done. Even if you want a new connection, it is possible, or if you already have a cylinder which is there empty, you can replace it here. So if you go up it, you will have to just start it. So you can select any of these languages. As of now we have positioned only 12, but moving forward we are planning to go for 13 languages. And this is the new connection, and this is the cylinder refill. If you are a new connection, you will have to just press here, and you will have to press your registered mobile number here. So my number I think is already registered, so it will go. So you will have to get code. So there will be a 4-digit code that will come to my number. Last 4 digits. Verify. So I am already a BPC customer. So which means you will not be given a new connection. You already have a connection. So you will have to go back.
Go to refill only. You can go to refill. Direct to refill only.
Where is it? Proceed. Please proceed for empty cylinder market. Continue to proceed. Cylinder then. So I am already a registered customer, so I am carrying an empty cylinder here. I will have to keep it here. So this one, whether it is BPCL cylinder or not, that auto scanning happens. Even if there is any damage and all those things, it will not get there. Once it is there, it will basically ask me to your cylinder is successfully validated. Please verify. So it will ask me about the rates. If it is not proper, if it is IOC cylinder, HPC, any spurious cylinder, it get rejected. If there is dent on all those things, that also will get registered. Now it is okay, so I need to continue. So then please plan your. Now this will get opened. So this is kept at the top basically for empty cylinders can be pulled and then put it on top. The heavier cylinders will be on the bottom, the collection will be here. So I will have to just take it and then I will have to put it here. So now what happens? Again the scanning happens here, because whatever I have kept here, only that one goes there or not, the machine checks it. So after this gives a clearance, then it will get closed. Or if you are going to position on another cylinder which is not scanned here, then it is going to be a problem. So the same cylinder has to go there. So it checks again, it is fine, so it closes. And second comes, then I need to make payment for the new one. So once I make the payment, then the bottom one will open. The heavier cylinders are kept at the bottom. So please, I need to continue with the payment. I will continue. I can select any of this mode. There is a credit card, UPI, scan, net banking, anything is there. So I am selecting scan and pay. So you will have to basically select from your mobile, scan and then pay. This payment success. So then this will get opened here. So I can get a. So I got the feed over now.
নতুন গ্যাস কানেকশন নিতে পারবেন এই এটিএমগুলি থেকে। এই মুহূর্তে পরীক্ষার জন্য 4টি বড় শহরে চালু করা হচ্ছে, ব্যাঙ্গালোর, জয়পুর, মুম্বাই ও দিল্লিতে। এই শহরগুলিতে সফল হলে সারা ভারতবর্ষে চালু করা হবে এই গ্যাসের এটিএমগুলি। ব্যুরো রিপোর্ট, কলকাতা। এ বিষয়ে আরও জানতে কলকাতা সমাচার চ্যানেলটি লাইক করুন, সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন ও বেল আইকনটি প্রেস করুন। ধন্যবাদ।